Hello everyone, I have finally figured out how to get remote play working on the PS Vita for Destination Home, and I thought I would make a really quick tutorial on how to do this. We only need a couple things and it doesn't take too long. First we're going to get a package repacker by True Ancestor. I'll leave a link in the description for this, and then you're just going to download it. I've already done so. You're also going to need the original Destination Home PKG file. I'm not going to be providing this out of respect for the Destination Home team. If you need to reacquire it, please go to the Discord and go through the steps to acquire that, just like you did the first time you went around that. If you haven't done this before, go to the Destination Home Discord, and then there will be some steps that you need to verify that you don't have any cash, or if you do have cash, you'll need to provide that to them, just to go through their steps. So with that said, we're going to unpack the package repacker, and then we'll go through these steps to get everything set up. So open the repacker after you've extracted it, and then we're going to move Destination Home's PKG file into the PKG folder. We're going to bring back up the repacker. So then we have all kinds of different options here. It looks a little bit overwhelming, but it's really not. So we're just going to unpack the PKG right now. So that's option 3. So just type in 3 on your keyboard, if my keyboard will work. There it is. And press enter. Now we can see our PKG file in here, and that is option 1. So we're going to press 1, press enter. It's going to take a few minutes. And there it is. And then press any key. So now, just so we can see what's going on, now the PKG file has been unpacked. You'll see this is the folder containing all of the different data from the PKG file. This is the file that we're wanting to edit right here, the param.sfo. By the way, this is the same file that you'll use for any other game on the PS3. If you wanted to make it remote play, param.sfo is the file to edit for anything. Anyways, let's go back to the repacker. We're going to press B for back, press enter. Now we want to go to option 7, which is edit param.sfo. Press enter. And press 1 again to select this one right here, NPIA 00005. That is home. And then this screen will pop up. And then all we have to do is come right here, PlayStation Vita / PSP Remote Play. Make sure this option is checked right here. PS Vita 480p, and then PSP ABC 480 by 272. And then we're just going to come up here, save system file. It's going to give you a warning that it's the wrong attribute. We're just going to press yes. And then you can close out of this. And then we're done here. So we're going to press B for back. And then all we have to do now is we have to repack it. We're going to do a fast pack PKG. So that's option 1. Press enter. And then again, press option 1 to select that folder. It's going to analyze and put everything all together. Take just a few minutes. Alright, so now we could see that it has been packaged up. It is going to have this file name, and it's going to be in the PKG folder. So now we're done with this GUI here. We're going to go into the PKG folder, and there's our new file. So now all we have to do is transfer this to a USB flash drive, and then install the PKG on your PS3 like you would any other PKG file, just like you did the first time. I will say, when I installed this PKG file, I had deleted the original Destination Home install. I'm not sure if you're going to have to do that or not. I just already had it deleted because I was trying to figure out how to do this. So you could try and overwrite your existing install and see what happens. Worst case scenario, you just reinstall it using this method, and you will now have remote play on your PS Vita. It's pretty cool.